Thank you very much for this insight and your last question, to which we will certainly come back later on in the discussion. Now I may invite Mrs. Leyens to give us the Switzerland perspective.
Thank you. So it's our first year here, and I wanted to thank the organizers for allowing this, and the panel as well. What I will present is the environment in Switzerland, and I'll first give a short introduction about Swissmedic, what we do, then the key options to support nanomedicine in Switzerland, and then some other important aspects. And I'll try to keep it very short so that we can go to the discussion quickly. So as the Swiss Agency for Therapeutic Products, we are responsible for the authorization and supervision of therapeutic products, so medicines and medical devices. And our competences are the authorization of medicinal products, licenses for manufacturing and wholesale, market surveillance, very important, authorization and inspection of clinical trials, laboratory testing for the quality of medicines. We also have the role to inform the different stakeholders and wide national and international cooperation, as we can see here as well. So the three key elements that we have in Swissmedic, we have an expert group for nanomedicines that has been devoted to address the challenges and specificities inherent to the new field of nanomedicine. This group is formed by members of different departments, so we have members of the preclinical review department, from the quality, from market surveillance, from medical devices, and from clinical trials, also from the laboratory. We meet regularly and discuss any new issues that have been raised at the international level, any questions within the organization on new dossiers, and as well any questions that arrive from the public or from companies. Then Switzerland, the Federal Council adopted a National Action Plan for Synthetic Nanomaterials in 2008, which has been extended until 2015, and we are part of this action plan. The action plan has the objective of, well, it looks at all nanomaterials, so not only nanomedicines, and nanomedicines is a part of it. And the objectives of the action plan are to develop the regulatory framework conditions for responsible handling of synthetic nanomaterials, the creation of scientific and methodological conditions aimed at identifying and preventing as well potential harmful effects of the synthetic nanomaterials, the promotion of the public dialogue, which is very important, about the opportunities and risks of this technology, and to promote the better utilization of existing tools for the development of nanomedicines. Another very important point is the international collaboration, and we're very happy that we have been included in the international teleconference and in the working group for nanomedicines. And as many of the panelists said, this is a very important point for the development, of this field. Other aspects, as it has been already mentioned, we also evaluate the dossiers on a case-by-case basis. We don't have any specific regulations for nanomedicines. We look at risk-benefit ratios depending on the context of the intended use and the intended population. We have a flagging system in our application forms for clinical trials and for marketing approval applications. Please don't consider it as a red flag. It's for information and so that we are aware that we have to look at certain important aspects on these products. As an example, I will show you the form for clinical trials. As you can see in this marked place, applicants are requested to cross, and then we get the information firsthand. Another very important point is the scientific meetings that we offer. We also have pre-submission scientific meetings, scientific advice meetings, and clarification meetings, so that applicants can discuss the products with us and any questions that they have. And of course, we encourage very much manufacturers of nanomaterials to use these meetings as well. That was it. Thank you.